How do I increase my Instagram Reels views? Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Increasing your Instagram Reels views require a mix of engaging content, strategic posting, and audience interaction. The first thing you want to do is use trending audio and hashtags. When you tap on the music option, you have this trending tab. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you're going to find a list of all the trending musics that you can use in your Reels. You can use popular songs and sounds to increase visibility. Next thing you want to do is use a mix of niche and popular hashtags. You also want to add in an engaging text or hook to grab attention in your caption. Now, the next thing you can do is post at peak times. Best time to post varies by audience, so you want to test what works for you. You want to use Instagram Insights to find when your followers are most active and then post at those peak times. Next thing you want to do is engage with your audience. You want to reply to comments and DMs to boost interactions. You want to ask questions in the caption to encourage engagement. Use Instagram stories to tease your upcoming release. Now, you want to do high quality, fast paced editing. You want to keep your reels short and engaging. 6 to 15 seconds is the best. You want to use fast cuts, transitions, and on screen text. Make sure you have good lighting and high resolution. To increase your Instagram Reels view, you also want to stay consistent and experiment. Post at least 3 to 5 Reels per week and try different content type. You also want to analyze insights and double down on what works best for you. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.